Fiery UFOs with trail spotted in the night sky over San Diego, California. UFO in the shape of a cigar suddenly appears in the night sky while photographing lightning over Albuquerque, New Mexico. Fireball UFO sighting in the night sky over Ontario, Canada. Unidentified flying object was spotted high in the sky near the stars and behaving strangely over Malibu, California, United States. And mysterious UFO disk over Mexico. Two parallel fiery UFOs with trail in the sky at night over San Diego, California. In the skies over San Diego, California, a witness reported a captivating sighting of two parallel fiery unidentified flying objects, UFOs, with a trail. According to the witness, while driving north near a small airfield, they noticed two objects in the eastern sky resembling trailing flames. Initially, the witness mistook them for a plane engulfed in fire, potentially attempting a crash landing. The objects seemed to be connected and changed directions, giving the impression of floating. The witness believed they were moving westward to land at the airport. After a minute or so, the witness turned east, pulled over in a parking lot, and captured a video. At this point, the objects appeared to be descending towards the south. However, when they reached a bank of clouds, they vanished. The witness shared the footage on Twitter and discovered that other residents had also captured footage of the unidentified aerial phenomenon, UAP. Unfortunately, the video provided by the witness only shows the final moments of the sighting. The witness estimated observing the UAP for a duration of 2 to 5 minutes. Additionally, the witness noticed a small green light in the upper right corner of the footage, near the UAP, exhibiting erratic movement. The witness's account and the video evidence suggest the presence of unidentified flying objects. The parallel fiery appearance, their connection or trailing flames, and the observed changes in direction and floating behavior make a compelling case for an unexplained aerial phenomenon. Unidentified cigar-shaped object during lightning photography in Albuquerque, New Mexico. On a fateful night in Albuquerque, New Mexico, a witness was capturing photographs of lightning strikes. During the process of reviewing the recorded footage and taking screenshots, an unexpected discovery was made. A white, cigar-shaped unidentified flying object, UFO, appeared in one of the screenshots. According to the witness, they were engaged in filming lightning strikes and subsequently reviewing the recorded video footage and capturing screenshots. It was during this review process that the witness noticed the presence of a white cigar-shaped UFO in one of the screenshots. The witness asserts that the image presented is unaltered and represents an accurate depiction of the object observed. The witness's testimony and the photographic evidence suggest the presence of an unidentified flying object. The distinct shape of a cigar and its appearance in the screenshot during a lightning photography session raise intriguing questions. While the presence of a cigar-shaped object suggests a potential UFO sighting, it is crucial to consider alternative explanations rooted in natural phenomena. Atmospheric conditions, optical illusions, or peculiar cloud formations could potentially give rise to misinterpretations. However, the witness's assertion that the object appeared in a specific screenshot during lightning photography raises doubts about natural explanations. Another possibility is that the object captured in the screenshot is a man-made craft or drone. However, the witness's description of the object's shape, coupled with its appearance during a lightning photography session, challenges this explanation. It is essential to investigate whether any known human-created objects, such as aircraft or drones, could account for the observed characteristics and context. Fireball UFO sighting in the night sky over Ontario, Canada. On June 19, a witness reported a sighting of a fireball UFO in the night sky over Ontario, Canada. According to the witness, they observed a fireball UFO stationary in the northern sky. Suddenly, the object began to move south while maintaining the same height. It climbed slowly and eventually disappeared into the southern sky. The witness noted that the flames of the object were unaffected by the wind, giving the impression of a hologram-like presence. The witness compared the appearance of the object to that of a small sun. They have video footage of the sighting, but it requires focusing on the object, zooming in, and going frame by frame to see it more clearly. The witness also mentioned a previous sighting of a similar object in 1997, captured in a UFO video at the Temple Mount. He speculated that the proximity of a nuclear plant may be somehow related to these sightings. The witness's account and the description of a fireball UFO exhibiting peculiar behavior in the night sky support the presence of an unidentified flying object. The object's ability to remain stationary, move slowly, and seemingly defy the effects of wind aligns with characteristics often associated with UFO sightings. Mysterious UFO disk over Mexico. On June 7, a witness captured photographs of a stunning sunset from the west-facing balcony of the Hard Rock Hotel in Mexico. Upon reviewing the images during the editing process, the witness made an intriguing discovery: the presence of an unidentified flying object, UFO, in the photographs. According to the witness, they were using a Canon 7D camera equipped with a 24 to 70 mm lens to capture the sunset. The photographic process involved combining 3 separate images, each with different exposures, to create a single image. The witness claims that the UFO is visible in all 3 shots, showing distinct movement. The witness asserts that the images presented are unaltered and authentic. To assess the authenticity and nature of the UFO disc, a close-up image provided by the witness was examined. The close-up reveals a white dot with discernible structure, including what appears to be 4 domes or lights on its surface. This image, captured as a screenshot with a phone, provides a detailed view of the UFO in question. The witness's testimony and the accompanying photographic evidence suggest the presence of an unidentified flying object. The peculiar structure and apparent movement captured in multiple shots lend credibility. Unidentified flying object behaving strangely in the night sky over Malibu, California. According to the witness, while stargazing from a deck in Malibu, they noticed a star-like object exhibiting unusual behavior. The witness, who enjoys photographing the stars, decided to capture the object's movements using their iPhone 13 Pro. They recorded 8 to 10 videos, some lasting more than 5 minutes, which clearly show the object moving erratically with flashing red, green, and white lights. The witness then observed the object suddenly zooming away at tremendous speed before returning and hovering for a while. This pattern of zooming away and returning repeated several times. The witness contacted KNBC TV LA and shared a video, but it is unclear if the most interesting parts were noticed, as they involve zooming in on the object. The witness eventually went to sleep, and the following day, the object was not present in the sky. The sighting in the southeastern sky at around 11 o'clock from sea level DR in Malibu, on a very clear night. The witness's account and the recorded evidence strongly suggest the presence of an unidentified flying object. The object's unusual behavior, such as erratic movements, sudden accelerations, and changes in direction, cannot be easily explained by conventional aircraft or known atmospheric phenomena. It is worth considering the possibility that the observed object could be a drone or a remote-controlled device. However, the witness's description of the object's high-altitude behavior, rapid speed, and flashing lights make this explanation less likely. Drones typically have limitations in terms of altitude and speed, which may not align with the witnessed characteristics.